For this portion of the session, I've switched cameras to my mirrorless FujiFilm X-T3, and the lens is a Lensbaby Edge 35. If you're not familiar with Lensbabies, they are really fun, creative lenses to use. They're manual focus lenses, and you can tilt them one way or another to add blur and to selectively focus. But I love using this lens for portraits. The dreaminess that it adds to a moment is just swoon-worthy. So you'll see in the end photos, it adds a bit of blur. I have the Lensbaby just right in the middle, and I'm not tilting it either way because I don't want an excess of blur. I'm just wanting just a touch of blur around the edges. So not bending the lens to the left or the right allows me to do that. And if you have any questions about using Lensbaby lenses, I'm happy to answer them. I love using this lens when I am in a creative rut and I'm needing something to push me creatively. This is the lens that I go to. And here are a few of my favorites.